Oh, quick thing I wanted to mention, there's a new book out from Pragmatic Programmers called Hands on Rust, and it's really beginner friendly. It's made by the same person who made a really good, or at least what I've heard is a really good roguelike tutorial that I've been wanting to live stream for a while. And it's all new code, it's different stuff from what's free on the tutorial, and it looks pretty amazing. I have already, gone through some beginning Rust books, but I'm probably still going to buy this one just about right away. Let me see if I can find his roguelike tutorial, which I've actually been planning on streaming here for a while. Actually, bracket roguelike should get us there. That's his Twitter. I'm sure he's tweeted about it. Tweeted about the book. Actually, let's go back. Bracket Productions. There we go. This roguelike tutorial is 100% open source. It's all MIT license, and it goes through making a pretty complex game, the entity component system, and it doesn't assume that you already know Rust. So if you want to learn Rust, you can probably learn it from this. And there's also a pretty cool book out. The other book that I also picked up recently was the Genetic Algorithms with Elixir book. This one, it's only $20. It's in beta, and I've only gone through the first chapter and a half, but it looks pretty neat. Basically, you'll learn how to take advantage of what Elixir has to offer in terms of pattern matching and parallelism, and um, it's probably not something you'll ship to production, but it looks like it's at least for prototyping genetic algorithms, it's a pretty cool approach. And also, if you want to learn how to do it with Elixir, then that's a neat resource